Hey everyone, Donna here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your default blog settings. When you're in your blog in edit mode, over on the right, you'll see the pencil. So just click on that and you'll see format and colors. The formatting is what I'm talking about in this blog. And the first one you'll see is content width. Let me scroll down so you can see the changes. You have four options: narrow, medium, wide, and custom. I always use custom, but use what works for your blog. You have narrow, here's medium and wide, and then custom you can set to whatever you want. Just move the slider and you can change your custom width. I always use custom and just put it on 70. That works for me. Text alignment, left or center, and that works for your title. Let me put mine back to left. Your meta position, below title or above title. So you can put it either, whichever works for you if you're showing the metadata. Categories, date, author name, author profile, you can toggle on and off. That is on. I don't show any of this information. The author profile, if you use that, it will show up all the way at the bottom. There's the author profile. And then you have the delimiter style options: bullet, pipe, dash, or space, and header spacing. And this is a slider. Again, you can just slide and you'll see that the text box is distance is further or closer to the title. So that's where you find the settings. I don't use categories, date, author name, profile. You may want to use those. This is where you would enable them and disable them. And if you did want to jump over into colors, you can put a color on your blog. I would recommend, if you do put a color background on your blog, do not use a dark one. It makes it hard for people to read. So that's it for the settings. The pencil, click on the pencil and just scroll down and set the settings to what works for your blog.